Okay, the next model what we are moving with is exempted incomes. You will get, now this model is tapped with your next model, that is salary, income from salary. Okay, this model is tapped. Now very important to know, prior to this income from salary, from this also questions will come. Okay, just for your theory purpose you have to understand it, which will be applicable to solve the problems. Fine. The first, exempted incomes with effect to the agriculture income under section 10 subsection 1. So agriculture income is fully exempt from tax, that is known for us. Now the second one is what? Receipt by member from HUF, that is what? Hindu undivided family, that is also exempted under section 10 subsection 2. Then comes share of profit from partnership firm under section 10 subsection 2a. Again it will be an exempt. The next one is leave travel concession, that is what? LTC. This is very important. In India is again exempted under section 10 subsection 5. Allowance granted by the government of India outside India, okay, under section 10 subsection 6, that is again exempted. This is very important for your, okay, that is what? Gratuity. We have to solve problems on this, okay, which are very important for 5 marks as well. So what do you mean by gratuity? Gratuity is a retirement benefit you are going to receive, okay. It is generally payable at time of cessation of employment, during the employment, and on the basis of service, or it will be paid after your, okay, retirement also. Now for the purpose of all, for the tax, all the employees are grouped into following 3 categories, that is what? Okay, government employee, non-government employee. Under non-government employee there are 2 things. Government employee, so there will be no tax only, okay. Non-government employee will be what? We have to consider over here 2 acts, that is what? Covered under Payment of Gratuity Act under 1972. We have different, okay, applicability over here, and for this we have different applicability of solving the problem. That is non-government employee not covered under Payment of Gratuity Act of 1972. Clear? Now the next one is, okay, what is government employee? Again we have to see, any gratuity received by employee of central government or state government is fully exempt from tax. I just said now to you people that it will be exempt, okay. So it is totally exempt from the tax, okay. Clear? Okay, now the next concept goes with non-government employee. Under non-government employee we have maximum limit. Under government employee, whatever the gratuity they receive, it is fully exempt, okay. Under non-government employee we have to calculate the limit for this. Non-government employee, that is covered under Gratuity Act of 1972. What is the format? Maximum limit is 20 lakhs. In this we have to write it like this way only. Maximum limit is 20 lakhs. Then comes actual gratuity received. We have to calculate it. I'll tell you later. Okay, then comes 15 days salary for each completed year of service and part thereof exceeding 6 months. Okay, so we will understand what is this. Now, how to calculate gratuity of exemption? Taxable, the least is exempt. Okay, taxable gratuity will be calculated how? Actual gratuity received minus exempted gratuity. Okay, now we have to just check among this which is least one. Okay, and then we have to minus it. Okay, now very important points to remember. What gratuity is including with regards to salary? Salary, okay, is including what all things? Basic salary and dearness allowance. Very important, basic salary and DA. Salary means salary of month preceding the month of the retirement, okay, is taken. Okay, means before the retirement of 1 month ka salary will be taken. Now how to calculate this 15 days salary? What I have told you, 15 days salary will be calculated how? Salary for a month into 15 days divided by 26 days, 4 Sundays. Okay, the next one is what? Period of 6 months and more than 6 months is taken as full year. For example, if it is 29 and 6 months, okay, then we have to consider it as what now? 30 years. This is how we have to calculate what now non-government employee का gratuity. Okay, we will be solving a problem on this which is very important for you people in next video. Please go through this video, okay, and understand it. Okay, thank you.